Good morning everyone. I'll be showing how to make crossover cable. Same equipment plus activity. Crimping tool, UTP wire, RG45, and last is tester. The last activity is the same method but the crossover and straight cable are different. Crossover cable have different wiring on each end, primarily used to connect similar devices directly, such as two computers or two switches, without a network device in between. Straight through cable have the same wiring on both ends, typically used to connect unlike device like a computer to switch or a router to a hub. Now, we're going to arrange the wire based on the type of cable. Plug the cable into the crimping tool to lock the RG45. So this is the finished output crossover cable and straight cable. We can try if everything is working. In this part, we're going to check in our tester if it's correct.